Today on Mike Attempts, repairing a plasma cutter. The same kind gentleman who gave me the old Miller welder that I repaired in a previous video also gave me this broken Miller plasma cutter. I checked all the cables for cuts. Let's see what it does when I plug it in. That's a good sign. It powers up and the fan is spinning. Air isn't connected yet, so the pressure warning light is on. As I was about to attach the air line, I noticed something in the end of the fitting. It's dirt. My first guess was mud wasps. They like to fill any little hole, but this stuff is solid. Most likely, the machine was dropped in the mud at some point. It's packed all the way through the fitting. And there's still some more inside the tube. Air is getting to the pressure gauge, so that's good. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Lots of dust and cobwebs, but I was expecting worse after that old welder. After cleaning up the inside, I thoroughly checked for swollen capacitors and scorch marks, but it all looks good. Nice, some free consumables. Now let's take a peek inside the torch. The swirl ring is chipped, but I don't know if it'll impact performance. The inside of the torch handle has burn marks, but none of the components do. I want to blow out the air line just to be sure it's clear. I realized that if I blow compressed air into this three-way valve, it comes out at the torch. But there's no easy way to clear the section of airline between the pressure gauge and the valve, so I'm just going to have to hope it's clean. One of the wires was pinched between the two halves of the torch handle, so I taped it up. With all these wires, it's a tight fit. The burn made it all the way through the plastic. I'm going to cover it with some high temp electrical tape so it's easy to tell if the torch is still having the same problem. Next, I'm going to clean up the ground clamp a bit. With the air fitting cleaned out and reinstalled, the pressure looks good. Time to test the torch. Well, air is coming out, but no arc. I hear some buzzing and clicking inside, so I'm gonna take another look. The only thing I see moving when I press the torch button is this contactor switch. It's hard to see, but when I press down, the two pieces of metal aren't touching. That doesn't look good. All clean. Now the two pieces touch. Aha! We've got an arc. Let's test it out. I've never used a plasma cutter, so bear with me while I get the hang of it. Check out that freehand skill. So straight. I'm a natural. Obviously, that was way too fast. Still too fast. Only 4.3 passes and I'm through. Not only was I going too fast, I was also pressing down for some reason, like I was using a box cutter. Much better. Light and slow works well, but I'll keep practicing. Here's a closer look at the cuts. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.